not seen him. He hasn't come. Good work now. It's late now. I have to go. No, tell him to come tomorrow. It's late. Eh? It's late. Let him come tomorrow. I have to go. You know how Ifeanyi behaves. He must be waiting for me at home. Tell him to come tomorrow. Okay, wait. I'm seeing a car coming. I think he's the one. I'm sure he's the one. Go on, let me give it to him.
Oh, madam. I'm so sorry, madam. I'm so sorry. I would have been here long ago, but my car broke down.
It's okay, it's okay. Let me get you the bag, eh?
Alright. Be fast so I could drop you off.
My husband, he gets to collect or something. It works.
Who is he?
It's my husband.
Yes.
You know what you think?
Anete by name. Uduak's husband, our friend.
Yes, bag.
I came to get back for her. It's not what you think.
He came to collect something.
Anete.
He's introducing himself to you. It's not what you think. Come back for the bag later. Go.
I love my husband.
Hey, go. One day Fanny will kill you. Look at your face. Oh, Jesus.
Mama, what did I do? What did I do? I don't have anything to do with that man. I don't have anything to do with him. I told Ifeanyi that bag belongs to Uduak's friend. He brought it to my office. He brought it to my shop. He even came here to explain to Ifeanyi why he came late. Ifeanyi did not believe him. Mama, I'm tired. I don't know what I did to Ifeanyi. I don't know. Mama. I'm just tired.
Good.
You're still lying. What did you tell my mother? Huh? You're still lying.
Jesus.
Are you mad? How would she be lying?
Are you mad?
How would she be lying?
Even in my presence.
How would she be lying?
Nonsense.
Have I ever told you a lie? Why would she lie to you? You're not faithful. Yet you're still lying to my mother.
Ego.
Sell your pepper soup. No.
Ego.
You'll be playing. Playing.
Ifeanyi, you're not a beast.
This person is an idiot, mommy.
She's not answering you.
I don't want to answer. I told you. Very disrespectful. She doesn't have respect.
Ego.
You've seen the person you're supporting now. She's no longer answering you. You're not disrespecting my mother. Onya, let me just...
Don't touch! Hey, Mama.
Ego. Sell your pepper soup. Focus.
She's not answering.
She doesn't want. She's Jalebi. She's acting. She's Angelina Jolie. She's acting, mommy. She's acting.
Ego.
Boy, you're not tete.
When you like it, Wanganya.
Lie. Fling.
Get up.
Sell your pepper soup. You won't sell your pepper soup.
Get up.
Lie to my mother next time. Let me hear you. If not for one thing now, just use these gates now. Look at this. Mommy, she's pretending. Yeah, Boyola.
This guy had a focus.
Sell your pepper soup. No! You'll be playing.
Ego.
Boyola, actor.
Ego.
Actor.
Oh, that acting, wow, come on.
Actor.
She's not answering, no.
She's just acting, mommy. That's what she's doing.
Yeah. What is going on, Biko? Since I've been standing here, I've not seen any car pass. Huh? Hey. Hey, Ifeanyi. I told Ifeanyi will never listen to me. Not even Okada. Hey! Oh, Jim. Huh? I don't know. Who go do it with? Bicycle? Nothing. Nna.
Mama, good morning.
Angiwa. Please take me to my house. Oh?
Okay.
My son has killed his wife. Oh.
Ifanji killed who? Mama, but come in. Come in.
My own is different. My own is different. Oh, I forgot. I know. I love my husband. I love my husband.
Fine. What did you do to your wife? Are you going to help me to take her to the hospital? Or you came here to ask me questions?
Spiro, you have killed your wife, right?
Biko, no. Forget about these blames and let us take her to the hospital first.
But Ifeanyi, if somebody had told me you've not changed, I won't believe it. Look us.
Are you going to help me?
Let's take her to the car.
I said help me. You're going to her waist. Come and help me here. Let me stand up.
Just stand. You still have mouth to talk.
Amarom ceremony.
We can carry the leg now. Slap was coming. You cannot shift your head. Have you not been shifting your head?
Okay, fine. Let's take this girl.
Her leg go. Come and shift her leg.
I try my best to make him happy. The more I try to make him happy.
Why is your face like this?
Your friend has done it again now.
Again?
Ah.
Did he catch her with a man?
Catch you with again. You know your friend is always suspicious of his wife.
Mama, it is not suspicious. Those things he talks about your daughter-in-law are true. Yes, but let me not go into that. What really happened?
Marokwamo, Ego is lying unconscious at that hospital. I just do not want to be there when the doctor will confirm her dead. So I want to go home.
Mama, is that serious?
Go there. Go there and see things for yourself. Go. The short one can never.
What if Ego truly dead?
How is it my fault?
Biadede, why do you like to throw blames on this guy? Every time he has an issue with Ego. Why?
You know why? Because he's always finding fault in everything Ego does. Obeli Fome, he finds fault. Even the most mundane things. Wake him. Men, they agree to their fault.
Which fault are you talking about, if I may ask?
And how is it your business?
Huh? Which fault are you talking about? Instead of you to ask me what happened, you're here speaking English, mundane. I don't understand.
I don't mind this useless guy. Talk to me, please. So what happened?
Good. That's what I was expecting this one to ask me.
Don't
Young
mind
man,
this
I can't.
idiot. Please talk to me. What happened?
Do you know that I saw this witch with another man? You needed to have seen the position I saw them. And here he is talking about.
When did he become that bad?
It's unfortunate. Buchi, it's unfortunate you're sentimentally naive.
That's the problem I keep.
I swear, it's unfortunate.
That's the problem. That's the problem I keep having with you. Little thing you be speaking the English. I don't understand. I'm still trying to understand the first one you spoke mundane. Now sentimentally naive. Just now. My brother, stop that nonsense. So.
Ifeanyi, allow me to slap this useless boy.
What? Me? Allow me look at this bloody literate. Nah, Agam school. You know I worked in a corporate organization before I was set up.
Come on, get out.
By a bad influence. Over here now.
You this beast. Listen, if anything happens to my friend, I'll personally deal with you.
Yes.
Stupid man. Foolish man.
Look at now.
Oh, who is this person? Who is this girl? No, is she a police officer?
You're a bad influence.
Ifeanyi, is she a police officer?
Say no more.
You're a bad influence. No way.
If I allow me to slap this guy,
Go more.
Another English.
Discard this guy. He's a bad influence. You're married.
Ego, I'm sorry. It was all my fault. I shouldn't have asked you to wait for my husband. Please, forgive me. I was angry when I saw your text message. Please, forgive me, my friend.
Excuse me, ma'am. Please, the patient needs to be left alone for now.
Doctor, she's my friend. I am the reason she's in this condition.
I'm sorry about that, but at this point, she doesn't need to be disturbed. Maybe you can wait for her at the reception.
I don't know why Ifeanyi is always blaming that poor woman for things she's innocent of. What kind of a man is he?
Who told you she's innocent? Huh? What do you mean by that? What are you talking about? I'm asking you now, what are you talking about? On your man account?
I have heard it. She has told me everything.
What did you hear?
She told me everything, Ifeanyi. But it's unfortunate you are so full of yourself and insensitive. Ifeanyi, you are insensitive. To even know when she's lying or not. That woman wasn't lying to you.
Dede.
Don't dede me.
Dede. I think I've had enough of your excesses. Don't push me. Eh? I'm telling you the truth. Don't push me.
Kwogi jaja.
Kwogi jaja.
Makachi.
Kwogi jaja.
Kutogi now.
Huh?
Ifeanyi.
Huh?
Ifeanyi.
Huh?
Why are you just this heartless? Why are you this heartless? You are such a heartless man. Foolish man. Why are you so heartless?
For once, are you just going to shut up? For once, are you just going to shut your this stupid thing you call him out?
Ifeanyi, are you mad? You mean I should shut up? No, tell me. I should shut up.
It's not your fault.
Really?
It's not your fault.
What if you had killed her?
It's not your fault.
Remember, I made you a promise. I will keep to it.
Follow her now.
Learn. Ifeanyi, learn. Learn, Ifeanyi. You can't continue to live like this.
Learn or learn. I don't understand.
I said learn.
Learn.
School.
Learn.
Learn.
Learn. Well, let me ask you. Did you actually say she kept her bag in your car?
Your nerves are calm now, right? Yes, she did. Learn.
Learn.
The doctor asked me to go.
My friend said you wanted to see me.
Oh, yes. Mr. Ifeanyi, I really don't know how you react to this, But I need you to be a man. Your wife lost a pregnancy.
Goodness. My goodness. Doctor, was she pregnant?
Yes, 2 months pregnant. Be a man.
Apo kini ko mere giranu yaka. Oti buo. Kini ko mere rapunu ya. Oti what she did to you, leave her, woman bitter. Leave her alone, woman bitter. What did she did to you, leave her, woman bitter. Leave her alone, woman bitter. All your strength on her. Why all your strength is on her? Joblessness, BUGATTI. Jealousy, make her give fair. Oh no, get away from my job. It's written all over you. Why are you like this?
Fanny, why are you heartless? You abandoned your wife in the hospital for you to sit here to eat food.
You see, I usually do not have this kind of patience to tolerate stupid people like you. Stay away from my family business. Do not say I did not warn you.
And what are you going to do, Fanny? No, beat me up like you do beat your wife. Beat me up. I dare you touch me if you are a real man. Touch me, Fanny.
I'm a real man. If I'm a real man. Look at you. Are you a real woman? Are you responsible? You abandoned your entire household, your responsibilities, to come and start foreclosing into other people's affairs. Looking for things that are not looking for you. Eyeing things that are not eyeing you. And yet you say you're responsible. Huh? If you spend all this time in this house, what time do you give to your family? Do you give to your husband? Or is he not missing you? Maybe he's not missing you. Who will miss a very stupid woman like you? They go down nyala.
See,
Don't let me lose my temper. Get out of my house.
Let me warn you for the last time.
Okay.
If anything happens to Ego, I will lock you up. If anything happens to her, I will personally lock you up.
Get out of my house before I slap you now. Out!
I dare you touch me if you are a man. Touch me, Fanny.
Hey! If you dare touch my wife, Makachukwu, I go kill you. Are you mad? Are you crazy? What's wrong with you? Like, what the fuck? Who does that?
Okay.
Foolish man.
Foolish. Mad. Let me show you what foolish man and mad man.
You are very stupid. You are crazy.
See, Ifeanyi, you are nothing but a fool. Foolish man, that's what you are. Stupid man.
Hey. Out. I never knew you were like
Only
this.
Let's go.
Out.
I would have dared to see you.
Out.
Only let's go. I would have dared to see you
Out.
last time I met you. You are very stupid.
Out.
Foolish
let's go.
man. Stupid man.
Look at them. Jobless people. Like husband, like wife. Wait for me. Oyala.
What did she do to you?
How could Ifeanyi be this senseless and insensitive?
Man. Do you know the point I was tempted to suspect that Onyebuchi was the brain behind every problem Ifeanyi was having with his wife? But the question is, what does he stand to gain? I mean, what is the rationale behind this act? What? bringing problem between couples. How? How?
You see why I have never and will never like that guy. There is something fishy about Bushi. Eh? Bushi is a two-edged sword. Yes! Hi! So Ego lost another pregnancy. Hi! Just the same way she lost other 3 pregnancies. Eh? What kind of bad luck is this? What kind of husband is this? Eh? You see why I hate seeing him around you?
Yeah, I think. But you see, if Fanny has never been like this. He was a nice guy, caring guy, hardworking guy. How he changed, I did not know. What changed him, I cannot tell. People change from bad to good. But in his own case, he's changing from good to bad. And I don't know what he stands to gain. Having issues with your wife on and on and on because of, Buchi has been the instigator of the whole problem.
Exactly.
Buchi is the instigator.
Buchi is Ifani's biggest problem.
Yes.
I'm telling you.
My wife, we'll not go kill ourselves for another person in trouble now. We'll have to manage our own. I need to go back to business because chum something there. Anything you know, because
I have enough. Oh.
I get no wine.
Ew.
Apo kini ko mere giranu yaka oti bu kini ko mere rapunu ya what did she do to you leave her?
What did I tell you before I left this house this morning? Huh?
Fanny, I told you, I'm not strong enough. I can't go and open that pepper soup joint in this condition.
What condition? You stupid pretender. What condition? Listen, before I go in there and come back, let me not see you in this house again. Go and open that shop. The only business that we're using to survive in this house, that's what you want to fold? If you fold that business, I will fold you. Onyala.
Fine.
Let me not go inside and come back and meet you here.
Fine, listen, you're unbelievable. Yes, you are so unbelievable. Let me ask you. Whenever I ever ask you for money and you gave it to me, when? And what business are we talking about? The day you beat me up, if not for the day that I bought 2 plates of pepper soup, I won't have sold anything like every other day. Besides, how can I make sales when you have succeeded in chasing away all my customers? Now you want me to go to that same shop? There's no customer to buy anything. I'm not strong. I cannot go.
Shut up your stupid mouth. I'm not strong. I cannot go. Pretender! You're not strong, yet you reply everything I tell you. Huh? Listen. I don't know what you're talking about. All I know is that by the time I go inside and come back and you're here, you will see you see what I'll do to you. You will not go.
If you like, you kill me, I will not go.
If I like, I should kill you.
I will not go. I'm not strong.
If I like, I should.
Oh, give me a fine. Oh, will there ever be peace in this house?
Mama, there can never be peace as long as this idiot, this pretender will continue like this. I told this girl before I left, I went out this morning. Go to the shop. Oh, I don't know what she's still doing here.
I cannot go. If he is forcing me to go to the shop, I told him I'm not feeling fine. I cannot go in this condition. I can't.
Fanny, why?
Mama, why what? Huh? Or these 2 scenes so play is confused. This person is an actress. She's an actress. She's pretending. And mommy, she's been replying everything I tell her. So how come you've seen my mother now? Your teeth are clashing. Yeah. She's pretending, mommy. She is pretending. Tell this witch, this pretender to go and open that shop. I spent so much, in establishing that business for her. That business is our last hope. This pretender will come and start asking me money. I don't have money. Go on, let me go inside and come back. Onyala, I don't know. Go to the shop. Go. You're not going.
If I, Mama, you see the other side of me. Don't think that you have grown, no.
Mommy, tell this person to go to the shop. We make so much money from that pepper soup business. Huh? Let her go to the shop. She's just pretending. Just watch, you see what will happen now. Just 5 minutes, you will see that she's not pretending. Onyala, go to the shop, you will not go. Give me a phone, you will not give me.
wasn't actually expecting you. Oh, that's good. Sit down.
Thank you, Daddy.
So how is your husband?
He's fine.
What of my grandchildren? Especially Chikamso.
Daddy Chikamso is better than me.
That's good. So, who are these people with you?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Okay. Daddy, my husband actually got you this car. Yes. And
he bought this car for me?
yes, he did. And we thought about, having people who can help you do some chores in the house and all. So that is why I brought them.
That's very good. So, who is this young man?
Okay. Daddy, his name is Rufus. When Andy bought this car for you, we had challenges of who will be driving you around because we don't want you to be doing the driving yourself. So I spoke to Dede, my childhood friend from primary school. You know him now?
Dede.
So he referred me to his cousin, Rufus, who is also from this town.
Very good. So, young man, your name is Rufus?
Yes, sir.
That's good. Rufus, I hope you are not one of these apprentice drivers.
No, sir. I've actually been driving for years. As a matter of fact, I thought they had to drive. Yes, sir.
That's wonderful. And who is she?
Oh, that's Cynthia. She will be helping you out with the cooking and some other house chores.
That's wonderful. So you mean you guys thought out all these plans for me?
Yes.
That's great. God will bless you people abundantly.
Amen, Daddy. Anything for you. Anything. Good. Okay.
Let's go.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Come.
You like it? I love it, man. You can cook.
I'm happy you like it.
Hey.
Enjoy yourself, huh?
How will you ever think of settling down when you can make meals like this? Huh? How will you, my brother?
If I don't understand. You don't want me to eat again or what?
No, that's not what I'm saying. You're a good cook.
That one is your business. Listen, you're fine. You like the food, right? If I have a good news for you.
Huh? All right. Shoot.
I've been talking to Chief Umena for some time.
You've been talking to Chief Umena. Is it not that one that the son is very arrogant? Listen, my brother. Don't ruin my appetite now. I don't want the job. I don't want anything that concerns Chief Umena, his son, in fact, his entire generation. I don't want it. Please, just allow me to enjoy this food in peace.
Fine. Your problem is pride. Yes. I've been talking to Chief Umena for some time now. Though he has not given me the answer. But I know he will give you back the work. You know work has begun.
Well, I saw them the other day.
One more thing.
What?
You know that Dede and Chief Ume's only daughter used to be friends. Are you a child? Open your eyes. You know that Dede and Chief Ume's only daughter used to be friends. And her father, Chief Ume, has been telling them about his plan to remarry. Yeah. So Dede suggested Ego to Akudo for her father to marry. On the stupid ground that you've been maltreating Ego and Ego would leave your house anytime soon. Their plan now is to make things get worse between you and Ego so that Ego will leave your house and move in with Chief Ume.
Definitely going to ask Daddy about this.
Fanny is not a joke. Have I lied to you before? Huh? Now I want to understand, so come on, you're being a child. Be matured for once. Though you and I know that you never loved Ego. Yeah. So why are you worried?
Now that I've lost my appetite, are you all right now?
Have a seat. Make yourself comfortable. And welcome, sir.
No. I would prefer if you address me as Chief. I'm a younger town.
Okay. Welcome. Welcome, Chief.
My son and his friend bought pepper soup for me. And when I finished eating it, it was wonderful. So I decided to find out the place that it was made. And I was told it's a young lady called Ego. Please, where is she? Where can I find her?
I'm Ego, sir. I'm Ego, Chief.
You?
Chief. That's me, Chief.
Oh, my, that's wonderful. You are Diego?
Yes, sir. Let me say
Is there any problem?
My husband.
Ah!
Oh, you are husband.
You're stammering. So this is what you do. You have the effrontery to bring your sugar daddy here. Huh?
Sugar daddy is what is this now?
Will you shut up your mouth? So it is true. So what's going on here?
Is there any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, there's a problem. There's a problem.
Your husband, young man, you're welcome. Have a seat.
Old man, you're not welcome. You can stand up. Look at it. So this is what you've been doing. So this is pepper soup. Interacting with your sugar daddy. You don't bring your sugar daddies to your shop, Abi?
Come on, I beg your pardon.
Beg whose pardon? So you sleeping with other people's wives, they're not enough for you until you sleep with mine. Did you tell him you're married? Huh?
I just told him.
You just told him what? He wants to.
I take exception to this, please. I can't take it anymore.
You think, old man, what is your own problem? Sit down. Sit where? Sit where? What exceptions? Huh? Old man, now get out of here.
Young man, how dare you speak to my boss like that in front of me?
Who are you?
Have you lost your mind?
Huh? Oh, that's why you didn't give me the job. So that I will be broke. I won't have the money to take care of my wife. And then you come behind me to start sculpting my wife. Get out!
Sir, please.
No, next time.
Get out!
Sir.
Get out!
Sir.
Huh? And I walk you Rufus. Rufus away. Look at him. You look like Rufus. Rufus away. Look at them. Yeah, exactly. You have lost it.
Sir, please.
Huh?
Ifeanyi, what is this now?
What do you mean?
What is...
So this is what you've been doing? Huh?
Ifeanyi!
This is what you have been doing?
Ifeanyi!
This is your pepper soup. You don't bring your sugar daddies
Ifeanyi,
here.
don't do this.
Huh? You don't bring your sugar daddies here. Onyala! You don't bring your sugar daddies here.
I'm going to deal with that boy. I'm going to teach him a lesson that he will never forget this day. Rufus, drive off. Speed off, please.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Why is Ifeanyi doing this to me? Why? He has succeeded in chasing all my customers away. Just look at this place. Just look at everywhere is empty. Why? I couldn't come to the shop the other day because I wasn't feeling too well. And he beats me up. He said I must come to the chicken joint. I don't know what I have done to him. Yet if I come to the chicken joint, he will come here to make trouble with all my customers. What kind of man is he? What kind of man is he, Fanny? I am tired of this beating. I am tired.
Ego. You mean Ifeanyi had the temerity to insult Chief Ume? How?
Dede, you don't even understand. He did not only insult him, he embarrassed him. Embarrassed him.
How can you say what kind of a man I am? Huh? Were you not there? Didn't you see the way he was looking at my wife? I should just sit and fold my hand, and another man will be looking at my wife. Come there, eat your pepper soup and go. But no, he was looking at my wife. What kind of nonsense is that? I won't take that from anybody.
Ifeanyi. But we agreed you're not going to make any trouble. And to think that I've been trying to get Chief to give you back the plumbing work.
I don't want any plumbing work. Let Chief, let him take back his plumbing work. I don't want. My wife is my plumbing work. Let me focus there. What is it? I said I won't make trouble, yes. But he was looking at my wife. I wanted to move. You were tapping me. Hold. I wanted to move. You were tapping me. Hold. Until the time he started licking his lip. Why will you be licking your lip over another man's wife? Why? Huh? What was that? Don't tell me that nonsense again, no. Let them take their plumbing work. My wife is my plumbing work. Let me concentrate there. What nonsense? Huh? Licking lip. You two want to start licking your lip? I don't even understand everybody, sir. Huh? Leave my wife alone. You see the bad thing? Huh?
Ego, by the time I'm done with you, you will regret marrying Ifeanyi. Yes! I'm not done with you yet.
You don't know Ifeanyi hates me. He hates me. He beats me up all the time. He hates me. He doesn't want to see me with anyone. Yet if he sees me to any customer, he suspects them. He beats me up. Is that not evil? Is that not evil? What kind of a man that claims he loves his wife, and yet beats his wife in public and in private? If he beats me both in public and in private, he beats me every single day. Every single day. He beats me up every single day, and he claims he loves me. He claims he loves me. He's also wicked. So wicked.
Even you. Why now? Why is everyone disappointing Ifeanyi? What is all this? He told me what happened between Ego and the other old man. Now you are here.
Are you sick? What are you talking about?
Disappoint who? Call the pretense, please. We saw you.
As a matter of fact, I was only trying to, listen to what she was saying and then give her advice. What are you talking like?
Shut up! Shut up!
No, now. No,
now. Shut up!
If I know now, you see suspecting your friend. No, now.
What's the meaning of this? You want to hit me with that? Buchi? When will you change? When will you say?
Stop all this, please.
Stop. Among all the women in the world, it is my friend's wife. Now I'm going to chase. Can you make it?
Why will you be talking to her?
Ifeanyi, you are such a wicked and heartless man. You have become so unreasonably wicked for nothing. Wicked man, that is what you are.
Will you need to get out of this place? Huh? Will you get out of this? You
will do what? What will you do? Beat me? Oh, look at this one. Is that what you are talking small? Listen, I'm no longer afraid of you. I'm used to it. Beat me up. I'm so used to it that I'm no longer afraid of it. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? Ask yourself. Look at yourself. Aren't you ashamed of yourself?
You are the one who should be ashamed of yourself. You that go about sleeping with all these small boys and old men in this village. You should be ashamed of yourself. That's why you stink. Look at her.
And doesn't it surprise you? Why are you not surprised that these men are all over me? Why?
If you are not surprised, it means something is either wrong with you or with those men, or you are just a jealous loser. Yes. Yes. Look at you. You call me dirty. You say I stink, that no man will find me attractive. Yet you beat different men every day in this village. Think if I am sure something is wrong with you or with those men in this village.
You are the one something is wrong.
It is you something is wrong.
Something is wrong with you. Something is wrong with your mother, your father, your entire generation.
I'm used to this talking. I'm used to it. If you can't do anything, something is wrong with you. Huh? I am not afraid of you. Mama, if you can't do anything. Huh? You cannot do anything. I am not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. Mama, I will not. Mama.
Look at this idiot. What do you see? This stupid stinking idiot that goes about sleeping with all the old men in this village. You still have the mouth to talk. Huh? Stinking, dirty woman.
Jealousy. Just shameless.
Shut up.
If I Ozugo, Nebumuni Abrodom. Ozugo. Don't talk. Hey, shut up. Ozugo, let us have peace for once.
Mama, there will be no peace. As long as this pretender will continue sleeping with all the old men in this village, there will be no peace. Can't you see she stinks? How are you managing?
I'm shameless, man. That's what you are, shameless.
What is wrong with you?
I'm not afraid of him again.
Oh,
let him come. Come. Shimo. I'm not afraid of you.
Wait! Onyala! Wait! Onyala!
That boy gave me the greatest embarrassment of my life. Imagine the little rat. The kind of embarrassment he gave me, I've never seen that all my life. Imagine telling me to my face that I was sleeping with his wife. Oh my goodness.
That young man is suffering a very serious mental issue. The only reason I didn't do anything the last time was because of his very peaceful and helpless wife.
Any day he encroaches into my space, I will deal with him ruthlessly.
I trust you.
Rufus!
Sir.
Find out who is at the gate.
Okay, sir.
Who is that? Open the gate! Come on, get out of the way. Where is my wife? You again! How can you fight into this compound like that? Is it your compound? Go and tell that stupid man to give me back my wife. That's how you go about incubating other people's wives.
So you're still opening this your dirty mouth after you insulted my boss?
That's your business. Go in and tell Chief to give back my wife. That's how you go about stealing. Star, it's me. It's me. Give me back my wife. Give me back my wife. You're asking me what am I doing? What is my wife doing here? What is she doing here? What's she doing here? That's how you go about incubating people's wives. Give back my wife. Else I will set this house ablaze. Give me back my wife.
Oh, well, beast like you don't deserve a good wife like me.
Who made you the judge of that? When I was asking her out, were you there? When we were dating, were you there? When she agreed to marry me, were you there? We're living together all along, and now you want to bring trouble. Go in and give back my wife. That's how you go about stealing other people's wives. You are an elder. You're supposed to tell her these things happen. People quarrel in marriage. You break up, don't make up, go back to your husband. But no, wife incubator like you will not agree. You have incubator, but give me back my wife.
I said get out of my compound.
It's my wife. I'll get out of your compound, but with my wife.
Get out.
Get out! Get out of here. Give me back my wife.
First, get me my
wife incubator.
Don't worry. Wait.
Get
wife
my
incubator. Give me my wife. What? Huh? You won't give me back my wife. You won't give me back my wife. What kind of country is this? Now you have my wife.
You first be fast about it. Get me my gun.
It's not over yet. You think you're the only one that has gun? Wait for me. Wait, no, me running. This country is not a good country. You have my wife. You have my wife. Now you want to shoot me. You have my wife. You want to shoot me. You're not a good man. You're not a good man. This is not right. Don't worry. You have gun. You have my wife. Take the one.
The idiot is You're a very smart actor. The way you run inside, it looks so real, like we have a gun in the house.
Anything for my boss, I have to make it look real.
That
man is a madman.
It scared him and he's gone.
Chief! Chief!
Apo kini ko mere kiranu yaka. Kini ko mere rapunu ya. What do she
Who's after you now? Chief kept my wife in his house for 3 days. For the past 3 days now, Ego has been living with Chief in his house.
I don't understand.
What do you mean you don't understand?
How do you mean Chief has your wife in his custody? How?
Goodness. We had misunderstanding, you know. We had an argument and then she left the house only for her to run to Chief Ume's house. Chief is keeping my wife for the past 3 days. Is that what he does? He takes other people's wife and can keep them in his house? Huh? As what? Micro woman's finance? I just don't understand. Why is he keeping my wife? As if that is not enough, he sent the police after me. Yes! Why do you think I ran here? Why do you think I ran here?
This is serious.
It is serious.
But how did you know she's with Chief Ume?
Can't you see everything you told me is playing out? Huh? And yet you're asking me how did I know? How else will I know? Huh?
This is serious.
It is serious. I don't know what to do. That's why I came, you know, as friends. I decided to come here. This is the only place I can have refuge. Every time I look at my back, I see ambulance, I see siren, I see a lot of things chasing me. I think I can be safe here.
Is that why you're running as if someone was after you?
Someone is after me. Chief Ume is after me. Are you not listening to what I'm saying? He has sent the police after me. I just said that now. I can't do anything on the run. I need to settle so I can think straight. You need to do something.
Yes, Chief. Yes. Yes, Chief. As we speak, he's in my house. Yes. He's sitting outside my house. Okay, Chief. Okay, Chief. I will delay him. No, now, Chief, trust me. You know what I can do now? Eh? Okay. No problem. No problem. All right. Bye, Chief.
I have not seen my son since I came back. Where has he gone to? Ego. For the past 3 days now, Ego is nowhere to be found. My son said that Chief Ume is harboring her in his house. Could that be true? Yeah. What could she be doing in his house?
I love my husband. Officers.
Sir.
Take this thing away.
Mr. Man, move it.
Move what?
Move it!
Move what? No, you can't do this now. For what?
Move. What have I done?
No, for what?
Don't. What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? What have I done? If you took my wife, now you. What have I done? What have I done?
Shut up!
Hey!
What do you want?
My husband, leave this jobless Ofeke. Let's go.
You can insult me for all I care. Ifeanyi has been arrested.
Ifeanyi?
Hey, Ifeanyi has been arrested by...
Where have you been? We've been looking for you everywhere.
Yes, Ifeanyi said you've been with you for me.
Where have you been? I mean, you kept us in the dark.
I was at my friend's place, Utuak's place.
You should have told somebody now. You kept us worried. We are looking for you everywhere. Eh? You should have... Okay, so where are you up to?
I'm going home now.
Come in now, come. Hop in, let me drop you off. Eh? Let me drop you off.
You join us. Ifeanyi is in the police station now. Yes, Ifeanyi is in the police station.
Come now, let me drop you.
No, Ifeanyi is in the police station.
Come, let me drop the guy.
Love my husband.
Are you saying that you did not go to Chief Ume's house?
No, Mama. No. What will I be doing in Chief Ume's house? No, I didn't go there. I told you I went to my friend's house, Uduak. I went there because I know Ifeanyi cannot come there to look for me.
Was that why he arrested my son?
I don't know. But I have begged him. I've begged him to release him, and he assured me that he would do it. The mom.
Will you get out of this place before I kill you?
Welcome.
Why are you looking at me now?
Thank you.
Will you shut up your mouth?
Young man, take it easy.
I said, what are you doing here?
If I stop it.
What are you doing here?
Listen to me. You have no one fighting you except the very one you trust. As for your wife, she is a good woman. She is the reason I used the police on you instead of allowing you to rot in the military barrack.
right? She is also the reason I took pity on you and released you. Look, it is not too late to swallow your pride and love the woman who loves you. Care for the woman who cares for you. It's not too late. Right?
Are you done? Now I'm asking you, old man, are you done? Get out.
Hey! Stop this.
Now listen.
Uh-huh.
Do not enter my trap again. Next time, you may not be so lucky.
Get out of here. You may not be so lucky we should run for you. You're speaking English. Get out of this place. Huh? Get out. Look at him. Akweji akwapina fokiji kwa safari. Ileko. Look at the nursery school check that is where. You shut up.
I need to.
Chief, that boy is too proud of himself. He is nothing but a bastard. You should have allowed him to rot in police cell.
Well, I decided to release him because of his wife. She is his savior.
But Chief, that boy does not deserve ego. He is the beast.
I know. Well, I'm working out something.
But Chief, so what are you going to do about it?
Rufus, always wanting to know my plans.
Sir, I'm your driver.
Oh yes, you drive me, not my plans.
Chief.
I know why you're hailing me. You think you know my plans?
Chief, maybe I have an idea.
Well, very soon I'm going to buy a new car. The type they call BUGATTI.
Ew! Chief, BUGATTI is very expensive, oh. A very expensive car.
Yes. When I buy that car, I'm going to be the sole driver. Nobody will drive that car other than myself.
Then, Chief, who will be driving you now?
I said I'm going to drive myself.
Chief, I can't wait to see that BUGATTI.
That's all right. Keep waiting and watching.
Chief!
Well, keep waiting and watching.
Oh, Chief.
Is that why you stopped the car? Come on, move the car. Let's get out of here.
What did she do to you? Leave her, woman bitter. Leave her alone, woman bitter. What did she do to you? Leave her.
My husband, you've not touched your food.
Take that nonsense out of my sight.
If I listen, if there's anything I can do, it is cooking. What did you just call the food I made? The food I took my time to prepare. You call it what? What's the meaning of this now? No, what's the meaning of this? Now let me tell you. What I'm trying to do is just to make things right between you and I. That's all. How can you call my food nonsense?
You're raising your voice. Don't let me lose my temper.
If I please. What is this? Every time you blame me, you complain that I cook only to sell. Now I've cooked for the family. You refuse to touch it. You're just wasting my food. You know what? You are certainly a sadist.